If your car's been running rough lately, hard to start, shaking at idle, or just feeling sluggish, your spark plugs might be the reason. Spark plugs create the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture, and when they wear out, everything from performance to fuel economy starts going downhill. One of the first signs you'll notice is rough idling or engine misfires. The car vibrates more than usual, the exhaust sounds uneven, and the check engine light might pop up with a misfire code like P0300 or P0301. Another common symptom is hard starting, especially on cold mornings. When plugs get weak or dirty, they struggle to create a strong spark, making your engine crank longer before it fires up. You might also feel hesitation when you accelerate. You press the gas, but the power delivery feels jerky or delayed. That's your engine missing a clean burn because one or more plugs aren't doing their job. Poor fuel economy is another giveaway. Bad spark plugs make your engine work harder and waste gas. Another thing to watch for is engine knocking or pinging, especially when climbing hills or accelerating hard. That's often from plugs not firing correctly, causing uneven combustion. And if you pull one out and it's black or sooty instead of light tan, that's a clear sign of trouble. The good news, spark plugs are cheap and easy to replace. Most last anywhere from 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Swapping them out on schedule keeps your engine smooth, efficient, and strong. So if your car is running rough, struggling to start, or losing power, don't ignore the spark plugs. They might be small, but they have a big job. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick, easy breakdowns that help you diagnose car problems like a pro.